Okay, I've just spent way too long organizing my C-can. Whoa, fuck. So I'm going to show you. This is the ramp we built, because that's the other option, and that's a pain in the ass. So anyways, cart, obviously, somewhat important to the whole operation. Then we got spares of things for oil changes, the pan that the oil goes in. We got a tent. We got chairs, or lawn chairs, and a foldable table. We got a trash can. We got a barbecue. We got the fuel, again, slightly important. We got a mat so I can actually like take off my shoes and then not get my socks dirty when I'm changing into my suit. Very nice. We got rain filter, not an alternator. Takes power from your car's battery. We got cleaning stuff. We got a massive bottle of super clean, and then we have a spare jerry can for race days if I need to empty that into something and my car is full or whatever. Anyways, we also got helmet cleaner, and then I have hand cleaner, and then we have more super clean, because holy shit, this stuff is so good. And also clean your fucking carts. Anyways, then we get to the toolkit, which is what I spent most of my time doing. So we got, how dare you be unorganized. We got a bunch of screwdrivers here and more there. There's no like real reason. Oh yeah, I put a sticker on here because I like their boats and we own one. Anyways, there's no real reason that we went with this brand, besides it's a good enough reliable brand. But I have no real brand loyalty for tools besides Snap-on, and I only own one Snap-on wrench because holy fuck, that shit is expensive. Anyways, in here we got the best technical invention ever, duct tape, filter for oil changes, hammers for, you know, when you just get tired of dealing with the cart's bullshit. We got electrical tape, second greatest invention. Oh, this is my magnum opus. Are you ready for this? There's actually another one right back there. Yeah. These are all my ratcheting wrenches, well, metric ratcheting wrenches. I put so much time into this. I fucking love them. All of the cart is on metric. Well, not all. I think all of it is metric. All that I've ever worked on is metric on a cart. Anyways, no, yes. Then we have my other wrenches and stuff. I don't know where my 11 went, but there's a stubby one that I have, so, you know, that's fine. We got this is gonna have bolts in it, but I don't have any spare bolts. We got Allen wrench, or hex keys, whatever the fuck they're called. Like fine screw, or not fine. That's art shit. Small ones. It doesn't matter. We got more Allen wrenches, whatever the fuck they're called. We got a bunch of screwdriver bits, which goes into this. Okay, I'm gonna throw that actually. Just didn't fucking like it anyways. Then we also got more of that. We have then the Imperial ratcheting wrenches, otherwise known as the ratcheting wrenches that Satan uses, because who the fuck invented Imperial? Fuck you. It sucks. Anyways, we have wrenches, or not wrenches. Well, you know, things that generally are like handle, you know, like pliers, cutters. This feels like plumber-esque shit. Don't know why we have that, but you know, doesn't really matter. And then absolutely nothing. And then we have more stuff down there. So yeah, that's the C-can. So I'm so sad because I hear somebody on the track and I really fucking wish I was them, but like this is what I've spent my day doing. Anyways, yeah, that's all.